Good morning, student. Today I will start chemistry practical. There is a functional group, detection of functional group of given organic sample. Aim to detect the one functional group in given organic sample. Requirement: test tube, given organic sample. Required of chemical reagent, ammonium carbonate, litmus paper, etc. Start. Student, this is the given unknown organic sample. Unknown organic sample. We take a small amount of this organic sample in a clean and dry test tube. In a clean and dry test tube. Clean and dry test tube. Add few amount of given organic sample. Take a few amount of given organic sample, and it dissolves in distilled water. Dissolves in distilled water. Distilled water. Dissolve it in distilled water. Distilled water, and dip the blue litmus paper. And this solution, dip the blue litmus paper. If blue litmus paper becomes red. Blue litmus paper becomes red. The carboxylic functional group or phenylic functional group may be present. The carboxylic functional group or phenylic functional group may be present. Now, in this solution, add sodium bicarbonate solution. Add few drops of sodium bicarbonate solution. Sodium bicarbonate solution. Sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. Student, add few drops of sodium bicarbonate solution. Sodium bicarbonate solution is NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate solution. Effervescence of CO2 evolved. Effervescence CO2 evolved, and this effervescence evolved, and add lime water, freshly prepared of lime water. This solution becomes milky. It's clear to the carboxylic functional group. Confirm. Carboxylic functional group confirm. It is confirm of. Now, observation table. Test, observation, inference. First test is a litmus test. Take a few amount of given organic sample in a clean and dry test tube, and add few drops of distilled water. Check when it's dissolved, and this solution add blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper turns in red in color. Carboxylic group or phenylic group may be present. Now, weight test or CT by sodium bicarbonate test. We add few drops of sodium bicarbonate solution. Gas evolved with Brix effervescence, which turn to white milky on adding of lime water. Its confirmed carboxylic functional group may be present. Carboxylic functional group is confirmed. Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction occur in this functional group practical experiment. Carboxylic acid react with sodium bicarbonate to produce sodium salt of carboxylic acid, water and carbon dioxide gas should be evolved. Now, result of this experiment, on the result, the carboxylic functional group present in given organic sample. Result: the carboxylic functional group present in given organic sample.